Actually, totally seven types of data we are classifying here. One will be cloud, desert, forest, green area, industry, and ship area with water. So this were the seven classes we are using over here, and we are training with VGG net. Okay, we are using VGG 16 over here for the training, and once the training is over, it will create the train module. I given totally 25 e-pouches. For first e-pouch, for the first time of training, I am getting 79 percentage of accuracy. So based on that, the accuracy will be very. Finally, you are getting the accuracy will be 98 percentage of accuracy, and this is the plot. So whenever we are training the data, gradually the loss will be decreased. Training loss and validation loss. Whenever we are training the data, the training accuracy will be gradually increased. So nearly 98 percentage of accuracy.